Welcome to What's Broken. What I'm working on today is my niece's matrix. She was having issues last week and asked me to take a look at it because the driver's side low beam headlight will sometimes work and then other times it wouldn't, and finally it just sort of went out. So I thought maybe it was just the bulb. But in taking this apart, I ran across another issue. I'll just get the battery out of the way and show you. It's this one that was giving her the grief. Hopefully it'll show up, but this one connector pin is sort of melted and burnt. I did put a new bulb in and clean this up with some electrical cleaner, and it's been working this week. But to remedy the situation, I went to the local pick apart or pick and pull and just snipped off a couple of plugs that aren't burnt. Figured I'd hang on to one in case we run into the situation again down the road. So I think to begin with, yeah, the red with black stripes are both on the sort of the right side. Just clip this off. I'm going to clip out this this covering they have. Hopefully I won't cut the wire. So I've got some of that split loom I'll cover it with after. Just strip these back 3/8 of an inch or so. I decided to go with slightly larger diameter shrink tube or heat shrink, just to make sure it'll fit over the wire. This is a little bulkier than I thought it would be. Just get a little paste on there. Yeah, there it goes. Well, it's not overly pretty, but it should work. Just let it cool off a bit. Slip the old heat shrink over it. I'm glad I went with a larger size. Wrap this one up. It's a little lighter gauge wire, so it wraps easier. I cleaned up the contacts and connections on my soldering iron. I don't think it was making very good contact, so it was not properly heating up. That seems a little better. Just smooth some of that out a little bit. Okay, that one's cooled off. Hopefully slip the heat shrink over it. I also wrapped them in a little black tape just to be on the safe side. Pop some of this split loom around them. That should hold it. I'll bring it back around and plug it in. Then we'll turn the headlights on and see if they work. Voila! Well, that should be that for now. Not sure why that one prong or terminal burnt and melted. A mechanic buddy of mine said it might be a bad ground or it could have been a little bit of corrosion. So I'm hoping it's the corrosion and I don't have to go looking for a bad ground. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed that and maybe it'll help you fix an intermittent headlight on your car. Bye for now.